See, 16th sum, f of x equal to minus 2 if x less than or equal to minus 1, 2x if minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 1, 2 if x greater than 1. See that we can check the continuity function at x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 1. At x equal to minus 1. At x equal to minus 1, limit x tends to minus 1 minus, limit x tends to minus 1 minus f of x equal to limit x tends to minus 1 minus less than means you can take this value minus 2. Minus 2, there is no h value, there is no x value there. Anyway, you will write what is the value of x? X equal to a minus h. A minus h is minus 1 minus h. So, limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0 minus 2, minus 2. So, the value is equal to minus 2, the value is equal to minus 2. Then you move on to the right hand limit. You move on to the right hand limit at x equal to minus 1. So, limit x tends to minus 1 plus, limit x tends to minus 1 plus f of x equal to, f of x equal to limit x tends to minus 1 plus, that is x is greater than, that is what is the value meaning of that? X is greater than minus 1, x is greater than minus 1, that is less than, this is greater than minus 1. You can take the value 2x, you can take the value 2x. So, you replace x by a plus h, a value is minus 1 plus h, minus 1 plus h. So, limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, 2 into what is the value of x? Minus 1 plus h, minus 1 plus h. You apply h equal to 0, what is the value you are getting here? 2 into minus 1 plus 0, the value is minus 2. Now, you will check f of x also, f of minus 2. F of minus 2. What is f of minus 2? What is f of, sorry, f of minus 1? F of minus 1. F of minus 1 is minus 2. Here also you will check 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So, left hand limit, right hand limit and f of x, all the values are equal. So, you will get left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of x. Therefore, f of x is continuous everywhere at x equal to minus 1. The function is continuous everywhere at x equal to minus 1. See, if x equal to minus 1, left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of x. The function is continuous. The function is continuous at x equal to minus 1. Now, you will check x equal to 1. X equal to 1. At x equal to 1, you will check left hand limit and right hand limit. Left hand limit. Limit x tends to. Limit x tends to 1 minus, limit x tends to 1 minus f of x equal to limit x tends to 1 minus f of x less than. So, you can take this value 2x. So, x can takes the value a plus h, x equal to a plus h. So, 1 plus h, because a value is 1, 1 plus h, limit x tends to, limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, 2 into, you replace x value by 1 plus h. So, it gives 2 into 1 plus 0, the value is equal to 2. The value is equal to 2. Now you move on to right hand limit. You move on to right hand limit. Limit x tends to 1 plus. Limit x tends to 1 plus f of x equal to x greater than 1. What is that value? 2. Okay. Limit x tends to 1 plus 2. What is the h value here? See, you can replace x equal to 1 plus h, that is a plus h. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, 1 plus h, but the value is 2 only. You will write 2 here. The answer is 2 because there is no x value here. Only numerical values are there. Straight away you will write 2. Then you will check f of x also. See, f of 1. F of 1, 2 into 1, 2. This number is also 2. So it gives the value 2. Left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of x. Left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of x. The function is continuous. The function is continuous at x equal to 1. The function is continuous at x equal to 1. The function is continuous everywhere at x equal to 1 because you have checked all the values of left hand limit, right hand limit and f of x. The function is continuous everywhere at x equal to 1. See, find the values of a and b so that the function defined by f of x equal to ax plus b if x less than or equal to 1, bx plus 3 if x is greater than 1 is continuous. It is given is continuous at x equal to 3. You have to find out the relationship between a and b. See, find the values of a and b so that the function, okay, see here, first is continuous. The given function is continuous at x equal to 3, they have given. So at x equal to 3, the function is continuous at x equal to 3. Left hand limit, limit x tends to 3 minus, f of x equal to limit x tends to 3 minus f of x less than 3. X less than 3, what is the value here? Ax plus 1. Ax plus 1. You replaced x value is what? A minus h. A value is 3. 3 minus h. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. A into 3 minus h plus 1. A into 3 minus h plus 1, h value equal to 0, h value equal to 0, limit h tends to 0, a into 3 minus h plus 1, h value equal to 0, what is the value you are getting? 3a minus ah plus 1, that is value become 0 because h value equal to 0. It gives a into 3 minus 0 plus 1. So 3a minus 0 plus 1. What is the value you are getting here? 3a plus 1. Limit h tends to 0. 3a plus 1. Now you move on to right hand limit. See, left hand limit got the answer 3a plus 1. You move on to the right hand limit. Right hand limit at x equal to 3. Right hand limit at x equal to 3. So, right hand limit x tends to 3 plus. Limit x tends to 3 plus f of x. F of x equal to limit x tends to 3 plus. What is that x value? X is greater than 3. What is the value here? Bx plus 3. The value is bx plus 3. So, you replace x equal to a plus h. A value is 3. So, 3 plus h. 3 plus h. So, limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, b into 3 plus h, b into 3 plus h plus 3. So you substitute h equal to 0, you substitute h equal to 0, b into 3 plus 0 plus 3, b into 3 plus 0 plus 3, it gives 3b plus 3, it gives 3b plus 3. Now f of x at x equal to 3, this is right hand limit, that is left hand limit at x equal to 3. See, this is the equal sign. At x equal to 3, the value I have taken is what? Ax plus 1, x equal to 3, ax plus 1. At x equal to 3, f of 3 equal to, wherever you can see the equal to sign, that value you can substitute for f of x. So f of 3 equal to 3a plus 1, 3a plus 1. So it is continuous, it is continuous, it is given in the question, it is continuous at x equal to 3, it is continuous at x equal to 3. See here, so the values are equal, left hand limit equal to, it is continuous at x equal to 3, left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of x, left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of x. See here, see what is left hand limit here? Left hand limit is 3a plus 1, right hand limit equal to 3b plus 3, right hand limit equal to 3b plus 3 equal to 3a plus 1. Now see, you can equate 3a plus 1 equal to 3a plus 1 equal to 3b plus 3, 3a plus 1 equal to 3b plus 3. So 3a minus 3b, 3a minus 3b equal to 3 minus 1, 3a minus 3b equal to 3 minus 1, 3 you can take it as commonly out, equal to 2. Okay, so a minus b equal to 2 by 3, a minus b equal to 2 by 3. What is the value of a here? A equal to 2 by 3 plus b, a equal to 2 by 3 plus b. See, 18th sum, for what values of lambda? Previous sum, it is continuous at x equal to 3, so we have no problem. Left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of x, we substitute and get the value of a and b. But here, what values of lambda? We should find out the values of lambda is the function f of x equal to lambda into x square minus 2x, x less than or equal to 0, 4x plus 1, x greater than 0, continuous at x equal to 0. What about continuity at x equal to 1? You will check it first. See, left hand limit, we'll check left hand limit, limit x tends to, limit x tends to 0 minus, limit x tends to 0 minus f of x equal to limit x tends to 0 minus, what is that value? X less than or equal to 0, the value is lambda into x square minus 2x, lambda into x square minus 2x, you will write it here, lambda into x square minus 2x. You replaced x equal to a minus h. A minus h is nothing but what? 0 minus h, because that a value is equal to 0. So you replaced a minus h is 0 minus h, gives limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, lambda into, instead of x square you write minus h, is enough, because 0 minus h, minus h the whole square minus 2 into minus h. Okay, so limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, lambda into h square plus 2h. Apply h tends to 0, h value gives to 0, h value gives to 0. What is the value you are getting? Lambda into 0, the value is 0. Now you move on to the right hand limit. Right hand limit. Right hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 plus. Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x equal to limit x tends to 0 plus cx greater than 0. What is the value of x greater than 0? 4x plus 1. 4x plus 1. What is that x value? X value is a plus h, that is 0 plus h. 0 plus h. It gives limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. 4 into 0 plus h is h. 4 into h plus 1. Now you apply h equal to 0. So h equal to 0, what is the value you are getting? 4 into 0 plus 1, the value is 1. See, left hand limit is 0, right hand limit is 1. Left hand limit not equal to right hand limit. Left hand limit not equal to right hand limit. The function is not continuous at x equal to 0 for any values of lambda. Okay. See, left hand limit not equal to right hand limit. The function is not continuous at x equal to 0 for any values of lambda. Now we are going to check about at x equal to 1. It is a continuous or not. You can check at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, limit at x equal to 1, limit x tends to 1 minus. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x equal to limit x tends to 1 minus f of x equal to f of x. See here, if the curve is like this, it's a open x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x, it's a open downward. The curve is like this. So the value 0 greater than 0 means you can take all the values. X greater than 0. X greater than 0 means you can take all the positive values. Limit x tends to 1 minus. 1 minus means x greater than 0. X greater than 0. It is not x greater than 1. It is x greater than 0. So you can take this value 4x plus 1. X tends to 1 plus also x greater than 0 because all the possible values you can take. After 1 you can take all the possible values here. So x greater than 0 also you can take this value. 1 plus left hand limit and right hand limit both the values because x greater than 0. Okay, this is x less than 0. X less than 0 means it move on to the negative side. But the value is 1 minus. What is, see here, if the line like this is 0. This is 0 means this is minus 1 minus 2. This is 1. X less than 0. X less than 0 you approach to this value. X greater than 0 means you approach to the next value. Okay. So x greater than 0. X greater than 0 means in between values. So 1 minus also you can take this value here. 1 plus also you can take the value. So x greater than 0 means for all the possible values. Is it clear for you? Is it clear? See, once again I repeat, x you can take, suppose x value equal to 0. X greater than 0, the values are like this. If you want you can check it on the line also. 4x plus 1. 4 x equal to 0 you get the value 1. X equal to 0 you get the value 1. X equal to 2 means you get the value 9. You draw the line. In case if x equal to 0, x greater than 0 means the possible values are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. X tends to 1 minus. 1 minus means in between these values. 1 minus, because it move on to the negative side, left hand side. It move on to the left hand side. So in between these values. X greater than 1 means what is the value? In this value. So for all the possible values are 4x plus 1 line. It is in the line of 4x plus 1. So x tends to 1 minus f of x equal to, x tends to 1 minus f of x equal to, limit x tends to 1 minus f of x equal to, limit x tends to 1 minus, what is f of x value here? 4x plus 1. 4x plus 1. See what is the x value here? A minus h. That is 1 minus h. A value is 1 minus h. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. 4 into 1 minus h plus 1. 4 into 1 minus h plus 1. H approaches to 0. What is the value you are getting? 4 plus 1 equal to 5. You move on to the right hand limit. Right hand limit. Right hand limit also, see here, limit x tends to 1 plus, limit x tends to 1 plus f of x equal to, limit x tends to 1 plus the same value, because x greater than 0. If it is x greater than 1 means, now we have to see the less than 1 also, because the value is given like that, x greater than 0. So both x less than 1, that is 1 minus and 1 plus, you can take the same value, because the value is given as x greater than 0. But here x less than or equal to 0. See, x less than or equal to 0, there is no value of 1 there. X less than or equal to 0, it moves to the negative side and it end up with 0. And it end up with 0. So limit x tends to 1 plus f of x equal to, limit x tends to 1 plus, what is the f of x value? 4x plus 1. 4x plus 1. See here, what is the x value here? A plus h. A plus h is nothing but what? 1 plus h. 1 plus h equal to, limit x tends to 1 plus, limit x tends to 1 plus 4 into 1 plus h plus 1. H tends to 0, it gives 4 into 1 plus 1, the value is equal to 5. So left hand limit equal to right hand limit, left hand limit equal to right hand limit, left hand limit equal to right hand limit. The function is continuous. The function is continuous at x equal to 1 for all values of lambda. For all values of lambda. The function is continuous at x equal to 1 for all values of lambda.